Hey guys, welcome to Daily Nugg. Today on Review That Next, we're going to be reviewing the Wax Destroyer by Shredder. So let's just get right into it. The Wax Destroyer by Shredder is a wax rig that you can get from Amazon. It's a small, pretty cheap wax rig. It's pretty decent. I've been using this for about a week now. I got this as an introductory wax rig. I've never used a wax rig before, so I just wanted to get something that was introductory into the concentrate wax dabbing game, and just allow me to kind of see what all the hype was about without having to invest in a very expensive rig, which I will, but before I just wanted to kind of just see if I liked it. So I was on Amazon, I checked Amazon, and I was able to find this rig. I had pretty good reviews, so I decided to check it out for myself. So here is the Wax Destroyer by Shredder. The company Shredder, or SHREDDERTEK, is a company that makes wax and smoking accessories and paraphernalia, and a lot of it is sold on Amazon. So for people that don't think you can get smoke products on Amazon, you definitely can. It comes in this box here. You open this box, it's just pretty much an empty box, and all this stuff came shrink wrapped in one big plastic wrapper, and that was pretty much about it. This is the rig itself. You can put a little bit of water in here without letting it get up to the spout. As you can see, I have a bunch of reclaim in here, and here is where you put the banger, and screw this into here. And you can put the nail there. So I guess you could technically get an electric nail. I wouldn't recommend it, only because it is silicone and it's not, a heavy duty rig. I do use this with a torch, a butane torch, so you do have to light it every single time you want to use it, which can get annoying. One thing that I would say that I do not like about this rig is that because this is metal, after a while, like I said, I've been using this about a week now. The first couple of days of using it, it was excellent, really smooth hits. I loved it a lot. But then after the first couple of days, I found out that this metal thing, it started to get kind of burnt and kind of get this kind of burnt aftertaste. So what I will do is switch this out for quartz, like a glass milled quartz banger. I probably will switch this out for one, and I will let you guys know how that goes if you're interested. Also comes with this lanyard. I guess if you are, you've always wanted your rig to also double as a necklace, you are in luck, because the people at Shredder have you covered. Actually, you could probably just use this for your keys, but it does come with a lanyard, and it comes with a wax tool. I don't actually end up using this one because I find it kind of annoying. It's really small, and it comes with a wax holder, like a little smidget of quantum because she's still left in there. And what I do think is kind of cool about this is that you can put the wax container in the bottom of this, and then you can put your wax tool right here on the side. So you end up having a really cool way to carry it around, and it's pretty portable. So once you've put everything together, you can kind of just take it around, and you're ready to go. For it to be so small, this little baby is pretty powerful, I can't lie. It gives really good hits, and one thing I've noticed is that if you put this in the fridge, one piece of advice I would give, if you put this in the freezer, like wrap like a damp paper towel around it, put it in the freezer for just about 20 minutes, let it get pretty cool, the water in there get cool. First put the water in there, let that get cool, and then take a hit. Those are some really, really smooth hits. After that, the feel of this thing, it's pretty solid. I mean, like I said, I've been using it a while, and it's pretty solid. I haven't had any issues. The only one thing is that the torch kind of got a little further down the nail, and it did take some of the color off, but it didn't burn through, so that was good. Also, I haven't been able to rip it. It hasn't ripped. It has fallen down. One thing I would say is that when it fell down, it had limited spillage. It didn't, like, the water didn't really spill out. That could be be because of the amount of water I had in there, or it could just be a testament of how seal-proof and spill-proof this is. They have a bunch of other products that I will check out, because I really am thrilled and happy with this, and I definitely would recommend this product to anybody. So I'll put the link in the description to this on Amazon, and like always, if you have any ideas of anything you want to see us review on Amazon or anywhere that you found, and you'd like to see a review because you can't find one, or you just interested in getting another point of view,
or an unboxing, just let me know in the comments below and we'll add it to the queue of the things that we're going to review next. So like I said, this is the Shredder Wax Destroyer, and it is a good quality rig. I would recommend it. I like it as a simple rig. I would just keep this to the side. I would invest in a more expensive rig just to have as well, but this is a good starter rig, I think, to get you into the concentrate game. Thanks everybody. Again, this is Daily Nugg, and stay tuned for more great content and more speedy cannabis videos.